In this video, I'm going to show you how to send AVAX from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now, open up your Binance, right? You want to send AVAX, so go to your Trust Wallet. We are going to copy our AVAX wallet address. So I'm going to open it now. So I'm going to click on this. Come on now, type in AVAX, right? So this is AVAX, so we're going to turn it on. So if I click on it now, just click on that receive. Once you click on receive, you're going to be able to copy your AVAX wallet address. Now go to Binance, come on here, type in AVAX, right? AVAX. So this is AVAX, so we're going to click on this. Now we want to send AVAX from Binance to Trust Wallet, right? So click on this. Okay, so what you need to do, just go back, click on this send, right? Click on this, come on here, type in AVAX. So click on this. With the previous wallet address you have copied, come on here, paste it, right? So click on this AVAX chain, right? So select the amount of AVAX you want to send. Once you are done, click on the withdraw and do the verification, the necessary verification, right, to confirm that you are the one that is doing this. So once you're done, you'll be able to send your AVAX from your Binance to Trust Wallet. If you found this video, appreciate your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.